Are you ready, buddy?
Yes.
Ready, Jess?
Yeah.
Oh, she's ready with that. Okay.
All right. Luke, stand back! Someone set off the alarm. Someone's car door is open.
Oh. Hot! What? I hear the stormtroopers coming.
The stormtrooper.
Oh yeah, this one.
There's one guy.
You're dangerous.
Big feet. All right. Here's what I'm gonna do. All right. First, I'm gonna unlock this door. All right. So I'm gonna press the code. Beep 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 beep.
No, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull my lightsaber out. Watch this. Oh, I should turn it off before I put it away.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, I'm gonna stick this lightsaber into this door.
Okay.
And it's gonna sizzle.
Okay.
Here we go. I love this!
What's so funny?
It's funny when I put my lightsaber.
Darth Vader's
Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna kick it in, and I usually grunt when I kick.
Okay.
And you'll hear the door, it's lead, it's gonna fall. Ready? Here we go. Yeah! Oh, yeah!
Wait! I gotta fire some shots! I got a popcorn gun!
What are you doing?
I got a popcorn gun! I gotta shoot my blaster!
That's Princess Leia's gun!
I know off of eBay!
Okay, don't worry. You know what we need some theme music.
Okay.
I've got my iPod here.
Oh.
I'm gonna put some Taylor Swift on.
Okay.
Let me just, okay, here we go.
That's gonna soothe me.
I'm gonna press play. Here we go. I don't know what song will be. I'm just gonna surprise you. Here we go.
We are never, ever, ever getting back together.
That's not
You know what?
helping me.
I told that to Leia until I thought she was my sister.
That kiss was awkward.
That was over. Yeah, thanks.
All right, I'm gonna call the droids. R2-D2, can you hear me?
No.
You can't all hear me because you just said no! I hate droids and prank people. I'm gonna shoot you with my blaster. I shot my hand. That was bad planning.
Okay, let's think.
Look, here's what we gotta do. Everything's on fire in here. I'm just gonna pull a fire extinguisher off the wall and put the... I think I ripped my space.
Go ahead.
Okay. Suddenly it's really hot. No, I gotta put the fire out.
Nope. On.
What?
Fire's too big. Oh. I'm gonna grab my fire hose.
Okay.
Okay? Because the Death Star has a fire hose.
Of course.
Right? Let me just turn the water on. There it goes.
I think we're good.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna pull up the computer and find Princess Leia's
Okay. Cell.
cell. I was gonna say office. I don't think it's an office.
Okay.
All right, here I'm just gonna click on the computer.
Air.
It's MacBook Air.
Oh.
That's good. Oh, I see she's in cell D7.
Okay. You know what? I think what we need to do
What?
is to find where Leia is. Growing up together
Yeah.
because we're brother and sister.
Yeah.
Even though I didn't know.
No.
We have a secret yodel. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to yodel down here.
Okay.
And we'll know what one she's in because she is going to yodel back.
Oh.
Alright? Or she'll scream, whatever she does. Here we go. I'm going to yodel.
Okay.
And then she'll say, I'm here maybe, probably.
Okay. I'll pull up my.
Okay, here we go.
The
Ready?
blaster. That's it.
She'll start laughing. Yeah, there she is!